Hey everyone, Genome here, coming at you from my pretty messy garage right now. I'll try not to give you too many painting shots, much to my shame. Today I have my new accessory that I want to put on my motorcycle. It's long overdue. It is none other than the windshield. So today we're going to go over how to install this windshield upon your motorcycle. So just to give you a quick look at the bike, here I'll be replacing this windshield. Hopefully you can see it. I know it's kind of dark in here, the light's not too good, but basically it's fogged pretty good. It's old, so time to get a new one. So let's bust into her, shall we? Alright. Ah, nice and clear. Alright, full of static charge. So let's actually move the helmet aside a little bit and stick it right there for now. Now the current windshield is on there with star drivers, so oh boy. Well, that's not good. Apparently, I have a busted screw. So hopefully you can see the difference here in clarity. Yeah, old and yellowed, new. Alright, well apparently the person who did work on this before busted out the centerpiece, so sorry. So I'm gonna have to finagle this a little bit. Hopefully nothing too bad. Okay. Actually, while I got these screws off, hold on. Let's go ahead and clean these up a little bit. Old wax and other residue builds up. So of course you're going to want to hand thread these several turns first, since I'm using an impact, which you probably shouldn't use, but that's just what I do. That doesn't really do anything now. Just be careful you don't over torque them down and strip them out. Okay. I think you do the center one last, but if it actually worked. Okay. There's a little bit of cinch there. got an interesting little decal on there. I may just leave it on there. I kind of like it. Adds a little pizzazz. So, all right. So, should be the same size windshield and all that good stuff. Got this for, I think, around $80. So, let's see how well I can see it through there. Hello, viewing public. Hopefully you can hear me okay. But yeah, can't wait to try it out. Of course, I got it all printed up now. So I'll need to apply some Rain-X to it. So let's go ahead and do that now. So normally you would clean up the overspray here real fast. Okay, so normally, like I said, you clean the windshield off before you use the Rain-X, but this is 2-in-1. So we'll just go right for it. I should have got my fingerprints off of it. Yep, little Rain-X 2-in-1. So, of course, when you do that, you gotta kind of spot wax. You get some overspray. I don't like leaving cleansers on the paint too long. Of course, I probably got some on the windshield I shouldn't have got, but whatever. So go ahead and haze it up real fast. So I got a chip right there. And we'll give it a little buff. And there you have it. Nice, easy fix. Definitely helps for seeing the road ahead. I'm not used to using windshield as much because my last one didn't have one. So the windshield you do have, you want it to be crystal clear, right? So if you're gonna be, take a look at all that beautiful scenery around you. You just want an unobstructed view. So once again, old, and I cleaned it many times versus new. So awesome. I'm very happy. Like I said, it's like an $80 fix, so that's as good as it gets. As you can see, it's extremely easy to do, especially easier if the last person didn't break off your screw on the fairing. So, alright, well, thanks again for watching. There's even more motorcycle upgrade videos in the future, and of course, some more motovlogging down the pipe. So be ready for it. Alright, so anyway, this is Genome. I can see clearly now.